jack on the engine.
Okay, we might move the jack forward. Trying to get this engine situated so it can be installed, bolted in, and as Lyle said, there are some modifications. The new motor mounts are one modification, a pair of motor mounts, and a new paint job, but there's many others because otherwise the car traveled at a really low speed, and so it's got to be modified to go to a higher speed. Okay, jacking it up. Okay, so Mott's jacking it up. Go under here.
Still, I need to go down with the front of it.
And going down on the front.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, bumping into one another a little. Yeah,
That's okay.
a lot of concentration.
Last week when I stepped on the wife's head.
Oh my goodness.
Is she okay?
Oh, she had a headache for a while.
Oh, that's an accident. Sometimes those things happen. I'll have to get the story later.
Need to go
They're
in
really
more.
focusing.
That means it's not lined up with the spline.
Line up with the spline. Something I'm gonna have to look up. I don't know what a spline is. I wonder if it's only in the antique motors, antique
It's
engines,
lined up with the spline.
well,
Okay.
motors,
And
or
it doesn't look like the alignment is straight. So
Okay, you want to jack up the back of the engine?
motors. What's okay? The door is swinging. I don't want it to hit anybody.
the flywheel.
Turning the flywheel. Shutting the door just
That's easiest.
because somebody could really get hurt. Turning the flywheel. Okay. My training is more in art and biology, but I really appreciate design and systems and
Oh, you should come in.
just how this intelligence
Oh, boy.
is handed down from a higher intelligence. I'm always amazed at God's hand in everything, God's pattern, and His glory revealed in
I meant to tell you this pulley.
Yeah.
everything that's created and everything that people are able to create for good. So, yeah, my area is not engineering and motors, but I really, really appreciate the innovation and design, dedication, curiosity, creativity, and
So,
desire to serve other people. Okay, Mont's fighting with the engine here.
yeah, they're turning together.
They look like they're in the groove.
Yeah, they're in the groove.
They're in the
Okay.
groove.
So here's what I'm looking at. What about, I got a jack into the back of the engine. If I jack that back of the engine, we jack the transmission up, that'll get it straight.
Right.
So-
Yeah, it won't go in this way. It's got to be straight.
Okay, so how about if I jack it here, if you want to jack the transmission,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
okay,
Then we're going to see if I can see the gears. It looks like if the gears are lined lined up.
Yeah, when you were turning it, they were turning together.
Okay, so the gears are lined up.
So-
Sorry about my shadow.
Go up a little bit.
Okay, I'm going up a little bit.
Okay, so Lyle's under the car and Mont's in the back of the motor here.
Turn this up. I'm gonna turn the motor.
And Mont's gonna turn the motor.
Just hit it. Right
Wow.
in here.
Okay. Yeah, it's
Looks like it went in just a tad. Let me see if I can wiggle. When this lined up perfectly, it'll go in.
okay.
Okay. Is it lined up perfectly, Lyle?
Okay. Okay, turn it just a little bit. Okay.
Turning it
Yeah,
just
that's
a
pretty
little.
lined up. Let's see.
Woo!
You want to try pushing it again?
Yeah. Try.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to go on, but it's just, I think it's just the angle.
Oh, I'm still having trouble with the
we,
angle.
Jack it up just a little bit more. I think it'll be a good angle.
Okay. Gonna jack it up just a little bit more.
Down.
Yeah, so I
It's
think
pretty
if we
crazy.
If we can jack it up, you know, so it hits, that almost hits that, I think it'll be more straight.
Crawling in and out of the.
Okay, so let me jack up the engine at the same rate.
Motor. Crawling in and out.
Okay.
I don't know that you'll ever see people crawling in and out of cars'
Oh, is it hitting it now?
motor
Okay.
nowadays.
As high as we can go there.
The biggest thing is the spline.
I love that's crawling in and out of the motor. Okay, the spline. I got to find out what a spline is. Sounds like a British term.
All right.
See, it can't go down anymore here.
Okay. You wanna?
It has to go in. And if the spline is lined up, looked like it went in about a quarter inch.
You want me to do that and let you look at the spline?
Don't pull against here.
Okay.
Will it break? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh,
There you
don't
go.
want it to break. Don't want it to break.
Well, I've had these things to slip right in.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks like it has the alignment.
I wonder how many times Mom has done
Where
this.
the spline goes. Wait just a minute. I'm
This
gonna pull
is-
it
This is a passion. A
You
passion.
want me to turn it while you watch it? You want me to turn it?
That looks like
Okay, so Lyle's in there in the front. Mom's inside the car.
maybe turn it a little bit more towards the back of the yard. Ooh, I'm turning the whole thing.
Oh. So, you want to just try to winch it again?
Won't do no good to turn it. I got to align it now.
Mm.
Put my fingers under here. Just cinched.